Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my hair butter with shea butter, moringa, coconut oil, tea tree oil, castor oil and my hair growth oil. So I'm going to be starting with my shea butter. I'll be adding shea butter into my mixing bowl. There is no measurement because you can never have too much of shea butter in your hair, because shea butter is really nice. It contains moisturizing properties and it keeps your hair soft all the time, which helps to prevent hair breakage and hair fall. So you can use as much as you want. So the next thing now, I'm going to be adding my powdered moringa. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of my emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax is a moisturizer. It also helps your hair to be soft, which will help your hair not to break or to fall. Then I'll be adding my hair growth oil. I'm also not going to measure it because you can never have enough of it. Then I'll be adding my coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, but I love to use coconut oil. Then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of my castor oil. So I'm going to be using the double boil method to melt all these things together. So I'm going to be placing my mixture into my boiling water for it to melt. So I've taken my mixture down from the fire and everything I added together have melted. So I'm going to be adding some few drops of my tea tree oil. Then I'll leave this to cool down. You can actually put it in the refrigerator, but I'm just going to leave mine outside for it to cool by itself. So our mixture has solidified, so I'm going to be whisking it using this hand mixer. So we are done whisking now, and I'm going to be turning this into my bottle or my container. Anyone you have is fine. So you should apply this at least 3 times a week. Every day is not bad, but if you can't apply it every day, at least 3 times a week is good. And that's it, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.